Alright, now we're at the Reports and Intelligence tab, which makes our system different than any other system that exists. It's truly integrated with AI, and again, we have the ability to use any model of AI as we want so that we can always be moving ahead as technology changes. So, your main tab here, Reports, you'll see at the top you have other tabs here: Inventory, Intelligence, Deal Reports, Collections, Customer Risk, Cash Flow, Vehicle Performance, AI Recommendations. And right here in Inventory Intelligence, vehicles in stock, average days, over 30, over 60. There's the deal we made, so that's performance by the make of the vehicle, performance by price range, and that's the price range. So all this intelligence is used in all these reports, and you'll see what it'll give you in just a second. So your deal reports, number of deals, who they are, all that good stuff. Collections, collected this week, month, overdue. Alright, so everything's current. Customer risk, if somebody's got 2 missed payments or 3 plus late payments, they're going to be ranked by risk in here, and it'll let you know who they are, so you can pay special attention to them or do what you need to do. Cash flow tab, number of payments coming in and all that. Pretty self-explanatory what a cash flow tab is, but it goes 30, 60, 90. Vehicle performance, 15 to 30 days, 0 to 15, the profit by body style. And then we get to the AI analysis. So you just simply hit, since I've already got one in here, I'll hit regenerate. It goes out to the wonderful data centers. It comes back with an analysis telling you your top recommendations to buy based on how long they've been there, profitability, all the numbers you need to know. It's just something to give you, and most of you are probably awesome at buying vehicles, and you probably train the AI on how to do it. But this gives you more data to make your job better. When you hear about AI taking jobs, it won't take anyone's job who's using it to make their job better. It's just not going to do it. So use the AI to do your job better. So it's going to give you the insights, fastest selling. Obviously, that's the fastest selling model. It's the only deal we've got in here. Insight and pricing, inventory strategy is the whole deal. Anything else, again, that you want from a report standpoint in here, well, let me know, and we'll get it added. But there's your Reports and Intelligence tab, taking in all the data you've input and what's going on with your car lot to determine what you should do in the future, or at least help you make that decision. All right. Next tab we'll do is the website feed, so I'll see you in just a moment.